Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another strange character from Baldi. This time it's the character Beans. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this strange looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're gonna draw in the kind of the space between the eyes first. So we just draw in one curve like this, one line across, and then on the ends right here, I'm just gonna draw in the eyes. So it's drawing like a little egg shape on its side. I'm just gonna add in a little dot to finish up the eyeballs. And then let's just go ahead and add in the little eyebrow, just kind of floating right over it. And then from here we're gonna come down to draw the side of the face. So just right underneath the eyes right there. Let's draw 2 lines coming down. And then I'm gonna close this with a slight curve going up. So that's gonna be the overall shape, and then from the corner to corner here, just draw another curve going up, and this is actually gonna be the lip shape. I think this is actually his gum in here. Alright, so from here I'm gonna come down and finish up the overall shape for the jaw, and it's gonna be really big chin. So come to the side here. There's one bracket coming down, and then a smaller one on the bottom. It's got a really big chin, and then right here just close it off. So it's got its mouth open, so we're gonna draw in another big curve here. Just start in the corner, just come down, let's go all the way around, and let's draw in those teeth so we know where we are. So right in the middle right here, I'm just gonna draw one big one. Come to the side, just a smaller one, and then one more close to the edge. And then when I start on this one, draw the one on the edge, and it's got a smaller one right here, just in between. Alright, so let me shade this in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. And there's a big area, but it's nice and easy with a Sharpie. Alright, so that looks a lot better, and then now let's finish up the details on the face. So right in the middle of this area, I'm gonna draw his nose. So one little curve, and then on the ends, just curve up. And then for the nostrils, I'll just draw a little dot right there. Okay, and then let's see, it's got some creases here underneath the eyes as well. And then for the mouth area right here, just draw one little curve here for the lip. And then just right around the edges right here, I'm just gonna add a couple of these lines. It's got some folds. And it's got a lot of little dots. Just gonna add in all these little dots. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the head. And now for the little hat on the top. So this one is very easy, just one little dome shape right in the middle. And then right in the middle of this, draw a little tube. From the top, just draw two lines and then just kind of draw another little tube. Okay, and then for the details on the hat right here, with a little cap, just draw right in the middle, just draw one curve coming down this way and then one going this way. So we'll make it a little bit more three-dimensional. Alright, so now let's draw in the body, and the body is pretty simple. So come to right around the mouth area right here on the side. Just draw two lines, and this is gonna be a shoulder or part of his arm. And then from here, just come all the way down. It's almost like a box. Past the chin. And then just close off the bottom. So let's come back up here and finish up the arm. Start up here. Come out. Just come down. This is gonna be his arm. For the fingers, just one bump on top. Come back in. And then one more. Same thing, it's just like a little claw. And then now on the bottom here, here's his thumb. One more over here. So it's almost like a little bracket. And then right here, just close it with a curve. Alright, so let's try it again on the other side. Let's continue that, and then here's the arm. So same thing here. Just one bump. Come in about halfway. One more little claw. And then just come down, bracket. Close this with a curve. Alright, and then now for his legs. Right on the side right here, I'm just gonna come down. Just come in. I'm gonna go up on the side. And then right here, I'm gonna curve up. I know it's very strange, so it's a little bit higher on this side. And then now whatever space you have here, just go up and close it. Alright, and then lastly for the shoes. Just come down. And this one's just gonna slant out. And then just close off the bottom with a flat line. And that is it for this very strange looking beans from Baldi. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.